Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That's a 14 by 14 inch canvas, and I am spreading some Sherwin-Williams white house paint with an eggshell finish to my edges to do a bloom. I'm going to add some paint in the center in a second. My camera battery died, so I left the paint for a moment. Hopefully it didn't set up too bad, but it's cold in Florida right now. It's below freezing. So things don't move or dry out quite as quickly as they would normally, which is actually not a bad thing. I don't know about the moving fast. It could be a whole new gig doing this bloom today. I don't know for sure what's going to happen. But I want to do scoop and drag. And I want to use a couple of methods at least. I don't know where the sandy stuff came from, but it's got to go. Alright, I bet anything that that is enough paint. But I will tell you what I think in a moment. I'm just trying to fill in the canvas. Now I want to do two things. I want to pile some paint up. Mayan Gold, which is a Prizm Pour. Some Jasmine, which is a Primary Element. Used to be Hot Orchid. Wild Orchid, which is a Prizm Pour. A little bit of Royal Sapphire, Prizm Pour. So close to being gone, it's leaking its whips, leaking its Floetrol flotsam. I've got a little bit of, if I can get it out. I've got golden iridescent, I've got golden Quinacradone nickel azo gold. There is an azo gold in Vivid Intense acrylics now. So I want to do several things, like I said, and one of them is going to be dropping colors that I like, including the Atelier. Let me read it. That's still clogged. Hang on. The Atelier Phthalo Turquoise. And with that, I want to use some of the Amsterdam White and Aussie Floetrol. And some of the Wild Orchid. I even want to capture it. I'm tempted to put some black on, but I don't think that's how this is going to work. You know what? I'm going to do it anyway. It sinks, so that doesn't bode well. I mean, that's not a bad thing. I don't want to drip, but I will probably not care, and I'm in anyway. Now, that's one palette knife down. Now I want to take the black, which is Amsterdam Black, and the white, both in Aussie Floetrol. And some Mayan Gold, which is not in Aussie Floetrol. I think I'm going to indulge in a little more of the Atelier Phthalo Turquoise. And I'm liking that combination a lot from what I can see. Makes me want to put some more down right there of the jasmine. And the Royal Sapphire. And I love that black. How that black looks is stunning. So, black, white, Atelier, Phthalo turquoise. There is always cell activator left on the bottom of my palette knife. Now, I have enough white paint so that maybe I can bring some negative space back into this. And I'm going to have to do that assuming that I've got everything I want in the way of cells, which I don't think I do. So I'm just going to continue on, put a little black cell activator on. I'm not going to worry about anything else. I'm going to use the gold, the Mayan gold. And I think I'm going to indulge myself again in the jasmine. And I usually do wipe off my palette knife on the edge of the canvas because we will be spinning. As long as I don't have too many bottles in my way. I'm really tempted by the Nickel Azo Gold, the Quinacradone Nickel Azo Gold. I like what I see of it, and I love the jasmine, so I'm going to do it again. Jasmine with the Nickel Azo Gold by Golden. Then I'm going to do the black and the white. Although I kind of think I like the bigger palette knife for this. Black and the white and the gold. And the gold, no, we're going to do we're going to do the at least a drop of the Phthalo turquoise from Atelier. And then I'm going to do the gold. And I've got cell activator left, so let's see what happens if I put it over here. And I said I wanted to do a scoop and drag, so scoop and drag I will. Let those go as far as they want to go. Oh, I so want to pull that out. Should have known I couldn't pull it out without cell activator on there. Getting better at stretching out my cool cells though. Hopefully my head's not completely blocking your view. Wherever I've got cells, I can scoop them. I want to not stretch them so far that they completely lose their shape. Oh, that was a tight one. Paint was kind of thin. Oh, I love those little dendrites. I wish I could do something with them. I don't think I can. I just tried and failed. So to break the seal when you pull the paint up makes carrying the patterns you're moving with your palette knife a lot easier. And what I mean by breaking the seal is scoop, pull up, and then drag out. I don't even know if I really wanted to do that one, but And I took gray and covered purple with it. I'm going in from this direction. I'm tempted to do it again in the center. I don't know what this is going to look like. I got a lot of paint on this side. I may need to tip. But I'm liking the colors that I see, and the shapes that I see are pretty good too. And my only question for myself is, do I want to do what I've been doing one more time? Some more jasmine. I think this time I'm going to put the, I should have put the gold underneath. Put the Royal Sapphire down on it, on top of it. And they said I wanted to use the larger palette knife, but I'm not sure it's the best idea I've had right now. So I'm going to do it anyway. There's the black cell activator and the white cell activator. And even the turquoise cell activator. And I think I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to put some wild orchid on top of the other two. I'm busy making a painting that I will never be able to keep, no matter what, because spinning eradicates them. But it's pretty cool, isn't it? I like it. I completely get rid of all the rest of the cell activator on my palette knife, wipe it off, and get ready to spin out. Which also means that I gotta take some bottles out of the way and not spill them. So bear with me for a moment while I do that. Quickly as I can. Oh, that was a good color. I could have used some of that Snapdragon. I did not. It is okay. Alright, even the palette knives are going in the bucket. Here goes nothing. Let's see if we have enough room. We don't. Need to make an adjustment. You know what? I want to make another adjustment still. I see that there is a line here, which would be way better as a spiral. Same as that one. Because I like what happens when you stretch out spirals. They're very cool. Probably won't be able to keep all of them, but if I get to keep some, that'd be okay with me. Because I do love them. Very much. That looked like a space. I saw canvas. Okay, we're running out of light. It's time to go. I really like that. I should make sure you can see everything. I want to make sure that my canvas is seated as close to the center as I can get. And I've just put a new silicone mat on, so that makes it kind of difficult. Here goes nothing. I do not spin slow. I'm not saying I recommend fast, but I don't mind it. Probably should have tipped so I could have filled in that missing side, but we might have some negative space. You never know. That could happen. I kind of like that a lot, but I'm also going to try and tip it. So we get a little more paint on the side that's needing it. I think I'm going to add some paint. I don't usually like to do that. I kind of want to leave it just the way it is, actually. Alright, there I go, using up my time again. I've got 3 minutes left. To tell you guys, I do sell my artwork. I'm going to try and make an adjustment. Because paint will flow to paint. So if I can make sure that there's paint for paint to flow to, I'll probably be able to spin out a little bit further than I did. I better be able to do something because I am leaving kind of schmutzy marks with my spatula. But what I've got left makes it worth it. And I don't even mind the weird stuff over here. I like this a lot. I'm going to hate to lose some of that because I kind of like all of it. I don't usually like to tip at this stage. But I think that the whole composition is making me so happy I have to try. Now I'm being a slow tipper. Okay, we're going to spin again, whether I like it or not. And I should tell you guys, please give me a thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out. If you like what I do, I appreciate a comment. If you need a question answered, please go right ahead and ask. I encourage comments, questions. Below the video, you'll find a Colourate coupon code, and I'm an affiliate, so you should be able to save yourself some coin. That's pretty neat. I really like... Where's my straw? I really like it just like it is. And I think it's going to get left like it is, too. With the exception of blowing out a couple of things. And I'm going to, quick like a bunny, try and shimmer that at you. I'm liking a whole lot of things. Do I like it enough to call it good? I do. Makes me want to do another one right away though. Let me shimmer. Oh. Close all. And let's give it the... Let's get up on the stool. I think I'm going to do another painting after this. This right here, I don't have enough time to do anything except for turn off that timer and tell you there's... I do sell my artwork. I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. There are some beautiful things about this that I really like a lot. And I'm looking forward to continuing to play. Check out Jessica Winterstrom. I think it's Jessica Winterstrom art. She's doing some really cool things with blow dryer and colors and scoop and drag combinations right now. And I've enjoyed watching her, and she gives me ideas. You never know. I might return the favor someday. But I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Thank you for the donations through PayPal. The icon's on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. Shop my Amazon link for my books. 2 volumes 1 and 2 are there. Thank you for everything. Thank you for your kind words and your comments. Happy New Year. I give lessons. Did I say? I sell my art. My paint pouring recipes below the video. I'm pretty sure you'll be gone in a heartbeat if you're not already. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.